Alright, here's what I got going on right now. This here is my 2x72 belt grinder that I made back in 2015. Well, the issue with it is I'm not happy with certain things. The problem is it's worn out. I've changed the platen twice. Table here, the rest 3-4 times. You know, it's wear and tear. It's expected. I've changed the pulleys 3 times down there, twice up here, never there. Here we go. Come on. So, beautiful. Alright, time to see where I want this. One up here, and one down here. As you see, it's bigger tubing, I have no choice. I'm going to clean this up too. Alright, currently the next morning, My plans for today is I'm going to work on this here. See how this play back and forth here? That's a no-no. Now, unfortunately, why that's like that? Because I couldn't get the damn right steel. Around here in Florida, I don't know what they did, but they discontinued the tubing that goes into here, this one. So I have to do opposite. So I went with the outer diameter, which is the female, into another one. So yeah, not cute. So I got to do 3 of these. So I got the 1, 2, plus the other one over there for the 12-inch wheel. So that's my main focus right now. And then I'm going to tap some holes in here, 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 and here, or maybe just one side, to hold these from sliding in or out. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to weld these nuts here. I know, funny. Here, like so. So that way they're going to be stationary. When I twist, I can put pressure on this bolt. Alright, she's completed. As you can see, it's ready for action once again. Matter of fact, I've been using it. Also, not only do I have the flat platen, I also have the 12-inch wheel, and that's working out beautifully. Couldn't ask for more. Thanks for coming in, checking out this quick video. You guys and gals have a good one. On to the next project we go. Cheers.